How old are you, elephant?
How rude. An elephant never reveals their age. Why, how old do I look?
Not that old. Actually, I think we might be the same age.
Have you been eating Play-Doh again, Philly? We can't be the same age. I'm all wrinkly like a flat balloon.
I heard that life in the universe started at the same time. Once, there was nothing, and then suddenly, everything exploded into life from a big sneeze.
Whoa. Like this? Whoa!
Everything came out at once, and then we slowly turned into humans and wrinkly elephants.
So, even without wrinkles, you and I started at the same time.
Yeah, and we're both about 4.5 billion years old today.
What? Philly, you don't look a day over 1 billion.
To celebrate, I bought you your favorite spicy mango.
Look, shooting stars.
Tihei Moriora. It's the sneeze of life.
Whoa. But, Philly, at the start, who sneezed?
I don't know. It's a mystery.
I like mysteries.
Da-ba-da.